Here we have the focal point of this modern townhome. This is the 28-foot by 10.5-foot kitchen / dining area. This spacious modern kitchen features stainless steel appliances and black appliances, including KitchenAid and Whirlpool. This kitchen also features a bar and center island area for cooking and entertaining your guests. Also, there is a 5.5-foot by 6-foot bathroom. This is a 1/4 bathroom for your guests. Back into the kitchen. This kitchen provides a very outdoor feel, featuring 5 windows. Here's our stainless sink. 5 windows and a sliding glass door, providing a view out into the beautiful backyard. Perfect place to enjoy your meal.